As fall weather brings cooler temperatures, it's crucial to prepare your home's exterior for the coming winter. Taking proactive steps now can prevent costly repairs and major headaches later. Most of these tasks are manageable for homeowners, though some may require professional help. An immaculate exterior also creates an unforgettable first impression. A well-maintained home with a clean driveway and manicured landscaping significantly boosts curb appeal and potential resale value. Fallen leaves and debris can quickly clog your gutters, leading to serious problems. Cleaning them now is essential to avoid water damage to your roof, exterior, and foundation. Clogged gutters can even cause water to seep into basements and crawl spaces. Consider installing gutter guards or mesh to prevent future blockages. When cleaning, use a leaf blower to clear out accumulated leaves and twigs. Always wear appropriate safety gear if you are working at height. While you are up there, take the opportunity to inspect your roof for any signs of damage. Look for sagging areas or missing shingles that need immediate attention before winter storms arrive. A sagging roof is more than just a cosmetic issue. It can invite pests and lead to structural problems. An annual inspection is vital to catch issues early. Remove any leaves or debris that have collected on the roof surface. Check all shingles for wear, cracks, or damage and replace any worn ones promptly. Ensure that downspouts are directing water well away from your home's foundation. Also, locate and seal any potential leak points around vents, chimneys, and skylights. Pests can exploit even tiny gaps to enter your home, seeking warmth as temperatures drop. Sealing these entry points prevents infestations and helps lower your heating bills by eliminating drafts. Regular checks maintain this crucial defense. Apply caulk around your foundation, siding, and windows to fill small gaps. Install door sweeps to block access for ants and rodents. Ensure sliding glass door thresholds have proper seals. Plug utility openings for hoses, gas meters, and dryer vents with caulk or an insulating foam product. For larger holes, consider using copper mesh or stainless steel wool to deter pests effectively. Well-groomed trees are healthier and minimize hazards to your home and property. Trim back any branches that are dead, damaged, or overhanging your house, driveway, or power lines. Pruning also helps reduce the chance of insect pests gaining entry to your home. When pruning larger branches, use the 3-cut method to protect the tree. This technique helps the tree compartmentalize the wound naturally, promoting faster healing and preventing decay. For very large or mature trees, it is often best to consult a qualified arborist. Beyond gutters, regularly flush your entire drainage system to check for rust or leaks. Keeping your system clear reduces water damage and costly repairs. Pressure washing your driveway, sidewalks, and other hard surfaces enhances curb appeal. This also helps prevent cracking, staining, and deterioration from winter rains. A fresh coat of paint on porches or siding can reseal surfaces, resisting harsh weather and keeping out pests. Aeration and overseeding are key to a healthy lawn in the spring. However, timing is critical. Improper timing can harm your grass or encourage weeds. Aeration schedules depend on your grass type and local weather conditions. Overseeding adds new grass seed to your existing turf, improving its resistance to pests, drought, and wear. The ideal time for overseeding is typically in the fall or early spring, when temperatures and moisture levels are most favorable for germination. As temperatures drop, it is vital to drain garden hoses and disconnect your sprinkler system. This prevents water from freezing inside, which can cause pipes, valves, and other components to burst. Protecting your water systems now saves significant repair costs later. Ensure all weather stripping on doors and windows is in good condition to prevent drafts. Seal any cracks around window frames and doors to keep cold air out and warm air in, which also deters pests. Make sure your outdoor lighting is fully functional to enhance safety and security. Broken or dim lights can increase the risk of trips and falls, especially as daylight hours shorten. Promptly repair any non-working or damaged fixtures. Consider switching to energy-saving LED bulbs and fixtures. LEDs use less power for the same illumination, significantly cutting down on energy costs and long-term operating expenses throughout the winter months. Before winter sets in, inspect and replace batteries in all smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Ensure detectors are installed on every level of your home and near sleeping areas. Regularly clear out crawl spaces to prevent moisture, mold, and pest issues. Review your family's fire escape plan and ensure all hazardous chemicals, fuels, and flammable items are stored safely in approved containers. These simple steps contribute significantly to your home's safety and preparedness.